The Cybertruck makes bushwhacking fun and relaxing because it's really damage resistant. Any small scratches in the finish of the stainless panels can be easily polished away repeatedly, without a clear coat to worry about polishing through. In fact, with traditional trucks, many of the deeper scratches goes through the clear coats and into the paint, and denting the bodywork, especially the A-pillar with heavy brush. The wedge shape of the Cybertruck parts the brush naturally, with lower impact. Every other truck while bushwhacking the mirrors will not play nice with brush for various reasons. Either brush would get caught behind them and threaten to break them, or they had too large of gaps between the plastic fairings that would let smaller branches wedge in between the two plastic fairing pieces. The Cybertruck's wedge-shaped mirrors have a very tight gap between the mount and the folding mirror that can only trap the finest of vegetation.